You want to buy composite decking for your home or for your client's home. Where do you go to buy it? There was a time when a big box store was your only option. But they only have a few colors in stock, limited lengths and profiles, and their staff has very limited product knowledge.
Is there anything else?
I'm not sure.
If you want anything other than the colors they have in stock, you need to wait. And we mean wait for weeks or months. So where do you go? You go to Decks Toronto. Because composite decking is our passion and specialty. We have the largest selection of colors and profiles in stock in the GTA. We have been selling composite decking for over 10 years, and we know what our clients need. Large inventory, same-day pickup, next-day delivery, all the major brands, as well as all of the required fasteners and accessories for deck installation. We always have a wide selection, fast delivery, and the lowest prices. Visit one of our big showrooms in Vaughan or Markham and bring your clients with you. We'll show you all of the colors and profiles that we always carry in stock, as well as help you calculate the required amount of materials with minimal waste. We will also give our expert advice on how to install the decking you choose. Already excited? But that's not all. Does your deck get a lot of sunlight? Is it exposed to a lot of moisture? Do you want your deck color to match your house? We'll help you choose the optimal composite material for your specific needs, and we'll supply other accessories such as railing, deck lighting, and even screws that are color matched to your boards. We can also help to ensure that your deck complies with the Ontario Building Code, as well as prepare permit drawings for your deck project. Wide selection, availability, the lowest price.
I like it.
Speedy deliveries, easy returns with no restocking fees on in-stock items, the ability to pick up materials right away when you need it, expert advice, accessories. That's what makes Decks Toronto your one-stop shop, because our clients deserve the best.